Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Micah with Solar States. A frequent question that I get is, how much do solar panels cost? It's a great question, and unfortunately the answer is, it depends. There's lots of different solar panels out there. You can get very high efficiency ones, you can get lower efficiency ones, you can get monocrystalline, which are typically higher efficiency, you can get polycrystalline, which are typically lower efficiency. And they can range anywhere from $200 a panel all the way up to $600 or $700 a panel. You could get ones that have glass back sheets and they're transparent and look really cool and modern and architectural. But the question isn't really how much is your solar panel. I think the more appropriate question is, what type of value is your solar panel installer providing? And that's the real question. There are a lot of different brands of solar panels. There's also a lot of different installers. And so what are the installers adding that makes their service worthwhile? And that's what we pride ourselves in Solar States, is giving a high quality solar installation. What does that mean? That means no wires touching the roof, and it means completely code compliant. And we also have a warranty reserve. Why is that important? Well, nobody's perfect. As much as we try to do the best we can on every single site, mistakes happen. You're going to have a problem every now and again with your solar array. You want to have a company that stands behind its warranty. We've been around for 13 years. One of the reasons why? Because we set money aside for warranty issues. So if you ever have a problem, we can come back, we can make sure it gets serviced, and you're not paying more money out of pocket as a result. So the next time you're thinking about how much a solar panel costs, make sure you're also wondering, what value is my solar installer providing? Thanks a lot.